So now what we are checking is the snapping. Okay, so in order to understand the snapping, what I am doing, I will select this one and let me hit G. Then next you can see it is moving like a fluid. Yeah, it is very smooth, right? So I will hit 7 on number pad, and what I will do, I have some option here at the top. So this is like, if I click this one, it will show on wireframe mode, and make sure you are just enabling X-ray mode as well. At that time you can see the grids and everything, so it will be completely transparent. Just click this cube and I will hit G and then X. Okay, I just moved like this, and G then Y, I just moved like this. Okay, in order to understand the snapping, what I have here at the top, this is the snapping tool. Okay, I can just enable this one, and by default it is selected increment. Okay, so increment is selected. Now what I will do, I will hit G then X. So you can see it is moving like step. Okay, we have some distance from each grid, right? So it is maintaining the same length in each snaps. So if I hit G, you can see if I move here, the distance it is keeping same. So I will hit G, so you will get to know the distance are same as previous. So this is called as incremental. So if I zoom in like this, then you can see there is small grids are came. Now if I hit G, then it will be according to the visible grids. Okay, so this is called as incremental. Now what I will do, I will go to solid viewport shading. Here there is a small arrow, I will click this one and I will enable cavity. So at that time you can see edge of each object clearly. In each object there is three things: a face, edge and the vertex. So let me explain what exactly it is. So you can see this is the object. Now whatever you are seeing, this one called as face in a sense this entire square. Okay, and this small line is called as edge, and the point of where the edges are coinciding, so these edges are joining here, this is called as vertex. Okay, so this is face, edge and vertex. Now what I will do, I will go to snapping, and here is the option to change it. I will go to vertex. Okay, then if I do that, then I will hit G. Then if I bring anywhere near to the vertex of any other object, it is snapping. For example, I will hit G, then I will bring here, it is snapping to that vertex. Here it is snapping. And we have other things also like edge. So if I select edge, then G, you can see if I move it to that edge, it is snapping accordingly. So G, then it is snapping throughout the edge. Okay, so it will snap like this. And again we have face. If I click face, then you can see throughout the face it is snapping like this. You can see there is one more thing. See, this is not only for move, we can use it for rotation as well as scale. So if you are using for rotation, then I will hit 7 on number pad. So if I hit R, then it will, so I will select this one, then I will hit R, then it will rotate 5 degree each. So you can see the degree is mentioned here, 5 degree. So it will increase like that. So if you want to make it more, then you can make it more. 45 degree I will keep, then R, it is like 45 degree it is moving. So this is the concept of snapping. So it will be really helpful when you are working. I just disable the snapping here, then I will hit G, so I will keep it somewhere here. Okay, so now it is not aligned properly to the grid. Okay, so if I click the snapping and I will go to increment, so by default increment is selected. So if I go here, then it is not snapping to the grid, right? If you want to take that one to the grid, then what you can do, you can click this grid here. Okay, then if I hit G, see it is snapping to the grid. So it just snapped, and if I want I can take it however I want. So it is just snapping. Let me rotate like this. I will hit 1, then G. I will take it like this, so it is snapping properly.